Hi everyone! So today I have a new kit. I'm super excited about this kit and I wanted to share it with you all. Now, I do have, if you watch me regularly, you will see videos that I put out there of James and Vivian by Sandy Faber, and those are my two favorite reborns. I mean, they are just the best. They make me smile every day. And so this kit came out and I decided to get it. I'm going to go ahead and paint it myself. I thought, why not? I did paint my sister and James, and he came out outstanding. And so I want to go ahead and try my hand at this new Sandy Faber Reborn kit. And I'm not saying that my painting is bad otherwise. I'm just saying that when it comes to Sandy Faber dolls, I'm a little bit leery, only because I think that, I see other people's artwork coming in, and I think mine is not as good as theirs, and, it's all depends on the artist and how they paint, and so I scare myself a lot of times when I paint a Sandy Faber Reborn, because I have the other two upstairs. They are amazing. And so I have to give myself, a pat on the back. My babies are really good. I just have this little fear. But I know that it's going to come out beautiful because, like I said, I painted my sister James and he came out amazing. So I know what I'm doing. I just didn't want my baby to look different, so different than the other two. And that's what I'm talking about, really, is like I can't paint everybody. Like I said, every artist has a different way of painting. Now, James doesn't look anything like Lillian, or like Vivian. I'm sorry, I got Lillian on the brain. So James and Vivian are by two different artists, and I still have them as twins, and they don't really look alike as far as color-wise. I mean, they look alike, but they're not alike. They were done by two different artists. And this is my point where I'm trying to get at, is that I am another artist who will be painting this baby, and it could be totally different than the other two. So I really don't think it matters. But what I was trying to get at is that it's not, it's me painting this time and not another artist painting. So we all have different painting skills. So anyways, I wanted to show you the kit. So I'm just rattling because, I'm talking about nothing, right? So I just wanted to show you the kit, and I love it. It's so cute. Look at the little chunky legs. Not really chunky. They're actually really super nice. Here are the toes. Oh, she's got pretty toes. And here is the bottom. Look at the bottom of the foot. Oh my gosh. Look at the detail in there. Oh, I can't wait to get painting again. I can't wait. But there's one foot. And then I'll come over here and grab the other foot, which is right here. So I love the vein. I like not the veining, but I love the creases, because the creases are like, there's where the babies get their chunkiness from, is in those creases. And I love it. See, look at this little foot here at the bottom of the ankle. Isn't that cute? And then here's the bottom of the foot. Oh, see the detail in there? Oh, it's going to be so cute. And then here is the front. I'm going to turn it this way so you guys can see the toes. Look at those cute little toes. Oh, they're so sweet. Look, and there's like two that kind of curl under, and then these three are kind of out. Oh, and look at the nail beds. Beautiful nail beds. It'll be easy to paint the toes. Oh, I love it. So, of course, her head. You should know who I'm talking about. If anybody knows this kit, I'm sure somebody out there knows this kit. But I didn't want to reveal the head yet because I wanted it as a surprise. Hold on, guys. I have something on my lens. And here is the arm. Got some little rolls there. Not really rolls, the creases where their chunkiness is. Look at her. Look at there where her Yeah. You know what I mean? What is that? Your wrist. God, I'm like, what the heck? You know, being over 50 really kind of takes a turn on how your well-being and thinking is. It's like, man, I have what I call brain farts all the time now. It's like totally ridiculous. But look at those nail beds. And look how cute those hands are. Oh my gosh, she's going to be so fun to paint. Oh, I can't wait. And then this is her, I should say, not his. This is, well, I guess you can make this into a boy if you want to. Don't think I've ever seen it as a boy. This kit, I might have, but I don't really remember. So there's this arm. Look at how cute. Look at the fingers. Oh my gosh. So let me turn it this way. It's kind of hard. I'm only doing this with one hand because I'm holding my camera. So there's some more little actions on the wrist, and you can see like the little creasing part on the wrist. But look at those fingers. Oh my gosh. Does anybody know what this kit is? Look at those two fingers extending out like that. And the thumb. And these two are underneath. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Those nail beds are amazing. Good job, Sandy Faber. Look at that. Oh. So yeah, that's it's going to be amazing. I know it is. And this is the back of her head. Her head. That's why it sounded like something really weird. And of course, I'm in my craft room, guys. Here's a tour of just my crafting table. So, if you want to see what you're in, I am in my craft room. So, if you're seeing any pens and pencils and things there, markers and things, that's why I am in my craft room. But there is her head and her little ear. And then she has a little ear on this side. Okay, can you see? She's already got that little bitty smile going. Can you guess which kit this is? There she is! Oh my gosh, it's a Reborn Kit Emmy. Oh my gosh, she is so cute. I'm trying to find a place where I can just get her head in there without having all her limbs in there. Look how cute she is. I'm going to bring her in. Close-up shot. Look at that face. Now, I see a cross between James because I think this one has James' eyes and Vivian's mouth. Oh my gosh. How can you... I don't know. Sandy Faber makes the most cutest reborn babies ever. And yeah, I'm in love with this one. Look at the mouth. You can see the little tongue and the gums. I know it's kind of in and out here. It's getting a little blurry because I'm so close. But, oh my gosh, look at how cute she is. Now, he could be made a boy. Like I said, I've never seen this as a boy. But I'm not saying that he can't be made a boy. But this is Emmy. This is definitely a girl, and I can't wait to paint her. I think she's going to be really super cute. Oh, I just love, like I said, Vivian and James, they just make my days. When I go up in my craft room or up in my nursery and I see those two babies, they just make me smile. I pick them up and I just giggle. And I think I tell you that every time I have a Sandy Faber doll in my videos, I always tell you how much they make me laugh and how much they make me smile. And they just brighten up my day. So, yeah, so this is another kit that I've got. I've gotten quite a few kits here lately. And I'm really excited. Now, hopefully I'll be able to paint my room very soon here. Hopefully, fingers are crossed. And let's hope that gets done in a hurry. Like I said, my room's not very big, so it shouldn't take much time to get the painting done. So, hopefully I can, I was going to ask my son if he'd come over here and help. Because I'm kind of out of commission, but I really need my room done. I have all my parts of my reborn stuff in my dining room, and my house looks like crazy. You walk in the house, and the first thing you do is see tons of crap in my dining room, because that's all of my reborn stuff, and my table, and all that stuff, so it really needs to go upstairs. But anyways, hopefully it'll be done soon. I tell you that all the time. Every time I'm on a video, I tell you hopefully it's going to be done soon, and maybe one day I will surprise you and it will be done. Hopefully. Right now it's dark gray, and I can't use that color in my room when I'm painting my babies. I need to be able to see with brighter walls. So anyways, guys, I just want to come out here and I wanted to show you my new Reborn kit. And Emmy's going to be so much fun to paint. I can't wait. So anyways, guys, I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. I love you all. Thanks for coming out here and taking a little bit of your day. I know everybody's day is kind of full, and I appreciate you coming out here and taking part of your day to come watch my videos. You have no idea how much that means to me. And yeah, that's all I can say, guys. It's like you and all my subscribers are pretty darn amazing. That's all I can say. But anyways, guys, I am going to let you go. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on my next one. And have a blessed day with whatever you are doing. Talk to you soon. Bye. Bye, Emmy.